Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. But today we actually have a really cool Hot Wheel in this video, and it is a 2023 collector edition, and it is the Morris Mini, which this thing looks absolutely insane. And this is one of those like mail-in cars. It was a Target exclusive. So let's go ahead and pop it out of the protector here so I can kind of show you guys what that looks like. All right, so that right there is the Morris Mini, and wow, I think this thing looks absolutely amazing. And as you guys can kind of see, it has like that kind of RLC kind of paint with the Real Riders tires. And then obviously the packaging is like that as well. And when I flip it around to the back here, you can see like a little, almost like a little blueprint of the car. And if you guys want to read that, you can. But I think this looks really cool. And obviously the Morris Mini is a really popular Hot Wheel. Especially this one with like the little wide body fenders. And it even has like a little lever on the bottom where you can kind of flip the lever and pop the entire top of the car off. I will not be doing that. I'm going to keep that in the packaging because it is kind of like a collector edition. I don't really want to open up a bunch of collector editions. But, man, this thing does look absolutely amazing. And that purple paint looks really good too. So this year, 2023, they all have like that purple paint. I think they kind of cycle between a few different colors. But let me know what you guys think of that. And I do really like how it has like the little red line around the sidewall there, the tire, which that looks really cool. Man, that looks, I love the way this looks in like that spectraflame purple paint. Like I said, it looks very similar to an RLC. It's like the same kind of quality. And what I do love is there's a, I don't know if you can really see it, on the back side of the car, there's like a little plastic piece the car kind of sits into. It's kind of molded. You can kind of see it there across like the bottom, so the car doesn't like shift around in the packaging. So you can kind of see it there on the backside by the card. So I do really like how they started doing that, because previously like the cars would bang around and then you get these like really rare kind of collector edition cars and they'd be all dinged up and the blister pack would be cracked, and it's always really disappointing when that happens. But this one I think looks absolutely amazing. It has the number 6 because it is the 6th car that came out for 2023. And they're all kind of numbered like 1 through 6. But let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this car. And I believe the time frame is still active. So if you guys are interested in getting one of these, I mean, they're going to be like on the resale market, but also you guys can do like the whole mail-in process. You buy $20 worth of cars, you mail them in, as well as the order form, pay for shipping and all this stuff. So I mean, it's kind of like a process to do, but sometimes the cars like this are pretty worth it when they do come in. And I really like this. I'm not a huge fan of the Morris Mini, but I think it looks really good, especially in the collector edition version with like the spectraflame paint, the Real Riders tires, and all that stuff. You can even see like the whole bottom is metal there. But right there is like the little black tab, and it even says unlock and lock on the bottom of either side of that tab. So what you do is if you flip that tab, kind of move it forward, and this little black bar across the back actually slides in and then allows you to hinge off the whole top of the car. The Morris Mini did come out in a premium version, which I did show in a previous video, and I was able to pop the top off of that, and it actually looked really cool. But let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of the Morris Mini 2023 Collector Edition. If you guys did like this video, it is kind of like a short video, but if you liked it, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, because there's a lot more videos to come. I do a lot of Hot Wheels content, a lot of case unboxings as well, so those will be coming in the near future. I also have a bunch previously on my channel, and a bunch of other crazy awesome Hot Wheel content. But if you guys like this video, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.